Assalamualaikum. Today I will be cooking beetroot torren for the first time. Umma went outside to do some errands. But before she left, I asked her the step-by-step process of cooking this dish. I will be cutting the beets and onion the smallest size possible because Wayapa has lost most of his teeth already. By the way, torren serves as a side dish here. So it's me versus the manual coconut scraper. After scraping the coconut flesh, I will be grinding it with a small onion and chili powder. Umma told me not to overgrind it, so I'm hoping this texture is enough. Let's do this. Put oil, add mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds pop open, then we can add the curry leaves. Stir fry the mustard seeds and the curry leaves. Then after that, we can add the beets and onion. Umma said if it starts to dry up, only then I can mix the coconut. Add salt and a little water. Stir fry all the ingredients together and it's done. I hope you like this kind of video. Please follow me for more. Thank you for watching.